Dear friends, today in our home science practical, we will be learning to make our lava lamp or the lava illusion effect. The materials required for this process is a transparent glass. You can also use a transparent bottle, depends upon the size. As we want to do a short experiment, so I am using a small transparent glass. Some food color or ink dye. I will be using a red ink dye because red ink gives a proper effect for lava. Some soda powder, vinegar solution so that they both react, and you know the reaction, how it takes place. Carbon dioxide gas is produced. You need some water and some oil. First of all, I will be taking water and adding about 25% from the glass. That's enough. Then into this I will be adding my vinegar solution. Quite about 50% of the glass is complete with this water and vinegar solution. My next process is to add oil, which is going to be for 10 to 15%. You can use any oil, but I am using sunflower oil as it contains less fat and it is less denser than water, and easily the reaction can be seen. While putting the oil, I will be careful that I am not putting it directly while I am just twisting the glass a bit and then adding it, so that the oil can easily come on the surface of the water. As you know, oil is less denser than water, so it is going to float on top of the water. Now you can see this is just like about 10 to 12%. I'll be adding some more, but very slowly, so that it doesn't go bottom and mixes. Finally, through the oil, I will be adding some of my red dye. I'll be adding drop by drop, so that slowly it can dissolve in the vinegar and water solution, but doesn't stay on top of the surface of the oil. As you can see here, on the top surface, that the ink has come like a design on top, and slowly it is going to fall down as it gets heavier and heavier. I would leave these things for about 4 to 5 minutes so that every ink drop is mixed with the water. Now I will just give a little type of movement so that the color can be mixed with the water. As you can see, the color is getting darker and the balls which were formed up are going down. This circulation is just helping the ink drops to mix with the water more quickly rather than staying on the surface of the oil. This type of soft, slow movement doesn't even help to mix the water with the oil, and the ink is easily getting incorporated with the oil. After leaving it for about 2 to 3 minutes, I can see all the ink has dissolved to the bottom, the oil is at its place, the ink and the water solution at its one place. Now, the final effect to start up with my lava effect, I would add slowly my soda solution powder on top of the oil, and later make it go down. And you can see the lava effect have started, the way how it boils. Pause. As you can see, the effect how it looks inside a real volcano, The lava looks something like this. Very red, hot, burning in there. And more small bubbles are produced inside, as you can see over here. Let me bring it more closer. This is the main process that happens. To give it a more better effect, we can use a flashlight to see and to give a more lava effect, or put it from below to have it. And you can see each and every oxygen gas being produced with carbon dioxide, and the effect of lava can be seen everywhere. Thanks for watching.